Good morning, good people. Hey, loves, from wherever you're watching me from. My name is Gladwell. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very interesting video of just showing you what I eat as a Kenyan girl who is trying to watch on her weight. So first of all, thank you so much for the love you've shown me in my previous video. It was a grocery haul. I have linked the link for the video in the comment section. You can go and watch it. Comment, you can share to very many people, and just let me know how the state of the economy in where you live is. So I'll start with taking green tea with lemon. Normally my mornings are I either take hot water or hot lemon water or green tea with lemon in the morning. Then I can proceed to now taking breakfast, sometimes lunch, or just a snack, and eventually dinner. So keep it locked till my last meal of the day. So let's go to the kitchen. So guys, this is the green tea that I use. Opening. You can give me your recommendations of the green tea that you use. This one has been super effective to me. So 1 lemon, we are living in the village, that's why you will hear lots of jogos waking up. My hands are clean, disclaimer. Ndio mtakuja hapo mkini judge. I'll take a full lemon. Yes. You cannot take the lemon water plainly. You can add some honey, but for me, I just take it that way. For those who have taken green tea, has it been effective for you? You can comment down below how you take your green tea as well, and how many kgs you've been able to lose. So I'll let this soak for about 5 minutes as I prepare my breakfast. So let's let this tea bag rest for about 3 more minutes. Yeah, as we prepare our sweet potatoes for breakfast. So guys, this is the sweet potato that we bought from the market. I'm trying this for the very first time, so I'll also give you the feedback. I'll be taking sweet potatoes and sugarless African tea. Okay, so let's start by preparing the sweet potatoes. I like boiling my sweet potatoes after peeling. So do you prefer boiling your sweet potatoes without peeling and you peel after, or you peel then boil? So for me, I peel then boil. So this is me peeling. Pia I'll have to cut ndio isitake a lot of time ku boil kwa jiko. So ndakata hivi. Now, these are the sweet potatoes after I've washed. A bit of salt, then so as the sweet potatoes are cooking, let me take my meeting. Right. It is not normally sweet, but it is worth it.
Green tea is rich in antioxidants and it has several benefits to our bodies. So, number one benefit is it improves the brain function. Number two benefit improves heart health. Number three, which is our most crucial purpose of using green tea, is cholesterol burning. It helps us in weight management. Number four, it has potential cancer fighting properties. Therefore, it helps to prevent cancer. Number five, it supports the bone health. And number six, good for oral hygiene. Number seven, helps reduce stress and anxiety. And number eight, this is good for our girlies. It helps in skin health by ensuring that our skin is well hydrated, brightened. In case your skin was damaged by the sun, green tea has the potential of reversing that.
So guys, let's check if our sweet potatoes are ready. I check using a knife. Kama kisu itaingia kwa urahisi imeiva. If the knife inserts easily, it is ready. Haya wazungu. Lugha yenyu ilikuja na meli. Yeah, they are super ready. By the way, kitu nimenotice na hizi za white zinaiva mbio haraka. So putting off the gas. Tupike sasa the African tea. Yeah. So, hii ni sufuria yangu ya chai. Nani mwingine ako na sufuria ya chai pekee?
So guys, this is my breakfast as a Kenyan girl who is trying to really watch on her weight. I have added a slice of pineapple over here just to spice it up. So see you at lunchtime. Let me enjoy my breakfast. So guys, I'll be cooking some rice, minji, my green peas, and vegetables, which is cabbage. Ini vitunguu tu, onions, capsicum, cucumber na carrot. So that is it. So tuingie tu direct jikoni. Ini maji ya mchele. No any oil, no salt, just rice.
For how long do you steam your cabbage?
You can comment down below and let me know whether I portioned my food very well, because you know, if you are really striving to lose a lot of weight, portioning is so important. I decided to eat fruits for my dinner, so thank you so much for watching to this point. Kindly consider subscribing, share my content, and you can comment down below if you are a girl who is really watching on her weight. You can as well share your journey and how effective it has been. So until next time, bye.